Today I am going to discuss with you chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variable of class 10. So let we start. First method under algebraic method is substitution method. So what it is, how to do the question using this method, how to find common solution, let we do with the help of one example. So let we take one example. I will take the same example, x plus y equal to 3, x minus y equal to 2. Just now we have done graph method in which we have seen this pair of equations. So let we do these equations only for substitution method. Now what we are supposed to do in this method, step number 1, this is equation 1 and it is equation 2. You have to select one equation, any of the two, it's up to you, it's your choice. And what you are supposed to do, I am selecting second equation, x minus y equal to 2. Now substitution method is further, you can classify in two ways. One, substitution by x or substituting y. Substitution by x means you have to make sure variable x should be written in terms of variable y. Means you have to leave x on left hand side and rest everything including the coefficient of x, if it is there other than 1, you have to take on right hand side. So I will take y on other side, 2 plus y. So I have written x minus y equal to 2. How I have written it? I have taken y on the other side. I have written x equal to 2 plus y. This is what we can say, we have expressed x in terms of y, right? So I have written the value of x from this equation. X value is 2 plus y. 2 plus y is equal to x. So this value of x we have made from which equation? We have made it from equation 2. So we will not fill this value of x in equation 2, because if we will fill, it will be of no use, both sides will be 0, right? So what we are supposed to do, this value of x we will fill in another equation, that is equation number 1. So what we will write? We will write substituting x in equation 1. So we are having x plus y equal to 3. So I am substituting x. So how I am substituting x? See, in place of x, what we will write? 2 plus y. So let me write 2 plus y. 2 plus y. Rest things will remain same. And we will see, okay, now we have converted the two variable equations into one variable equation. And one variable equation always has unique solution, right? So 2y equal to 3 minus 2, y equal to 1 over 2. So 3 minus 2, 1. This 2 is multiply, here it will divide. It is 1 by 2 means 0.5. You need not to convert into decimal, but I just wanted to match it with previous answer in which we got by graph y equal to 0.5, right? Now we got the value of y. Now to get the value of x, what we will do? We will write, put y equal to 0.5 or 1 by 2 in any of the one equation, equation 1 or equation 2 you can fill, or you can also fill here where x equal to 2 plus y, whichsoever you find easy. If this expression is easy, you can fill here. If you find it difficult, you can fill in particular equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. So you can get the value of another variable. So I am going to do what? I will be putting y equal to 0.5 in equation 1. So x plus 0.5 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 minus 0.5, that is equal to 2.5. So x is equal to 2.5, comma y is equal to 0.5, answer. So if you see the question, how we did, so once again we were having two equations. We have taken one equation randomly and we have kept x, one variable, on one side, and rest everything we have taken on the other side, and this value of variable we have replaced in another equation. Means we have made this value of x from equation 2 and we have substituted this value of x in equation 1. The purpose of substituting was to eliminate one of the variable, or you can say to convert the two variable equation into one variable equation, because one variable equation always has unique solution, and we found that as it becomes equation in y variable and y value we got, and y value will further help to get the x value. So this is substitution method, right? So let me do one more question to understand it better. So this time I am going to take another pair of equation. Let me take 2x plus 3y equal to 6, and another equation let me take 5x minus 4y equal to 11, right? So step number 1, let it be equation 1, let it be equation 2. Then you have to select any of the equation randomly. It's up to you, whichever you find easy. It doesn't matter. So I am taking equation 1 this time. Now I will write from equation 1. If you write this, you will be knowing that you are not supposed to put this value in equation 1, right? Because you are making it from equation 1. So 2x plus 3y equal to 6. 2x is equal to 6 minus 3y. And x is equal to 6 minus 3y over 2. So we expressed the x in terms of y from equation 1. Now we are going to replace this value of x. We are going to substitute this value of x in equation 2. So we'll write x equal to 6 minus 3y over 2 in equation 2, other than the equation that you have taken earlier, right? So what we have now, 5 into 6 minus 3y over 2 minus 4y equal to 11. So this is again now linear equation in one variable. So 5 will multiply, 6 5s are 30, minus 15y over 2 minus 4y equal to 11. We can take LCM, 30 minus 15y, 4 2s are 8, 8y over 2 we can take on the other side. It will make 11, 22. So 2 11s are 22. Now solve the like terms. It is 30 minus 23y equal to 22. Minus 23y is equal to 22 minus 30. And further minus 23y is equal to minus 8. Minus can be cancelled. Y will come 8 over 23. So see, once again we were having two equations. Step number 1, take both the equations as equation 1, equation 2. Then select any one equation randomly. It's up to you. So I have taken from equation 1. I have taken everything on the right hand side except one variable, that is x. And I've replaced this x from equation 2. If you see, equation 2 was 5x minus 4y equal to 11. I have filled the value of x here. 5x, x value I have filled, minus 4y equal to 11. And then I solved it one by one, step by step. And I got y equal to 8 over 23. You need not to convert it into decimal. It is okay. Now how to get x value? I am doing here only. So go green. We should save the page as much as possible. So I am here, the space is there. So let me solve here as we are doing practice only. So put y equal to 8 over 23 in. Now question arises where you will fill. You will fill in equation 1, you will fill in equation 2, or you will fill in this expression. Now you think y value is 8 over 23. It is a fraction, and if it is already a fraction, and if you will fill y 8 over 23 here, you will be getting a complex fraction here in which numerator part will also be in fraction, no? So I will suggest you, there's no harm, we can fill in any of the equations or we can fill here, but I think in this question this will be better choice. We can fill in any one of the equation. So I am filling y equal to 8 over 23 in equation 1, right? So I am having 2x plus 3y equal to 6. That is first equation. 5x minus 4y equal to 11. I have taken first equation, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 6. So 2x plus 3 into 8 over 23 equal to 6. 2x plus 8 3 is 24 over 23 equal to 6. 2x is equal to 6 minus 24 over 23. Then further 2x is equal to 6 3 is 18, 12 13 minus 24 over 23. So x will be equal to 411 over 23 into 2. Now this 2 we have taken from x 2 it was multiply here, and when we will transpose it will be divided over there, and 2 reciprocal is 1 by 2. So we get 2 can be cancelled, 5 to the 10, 7 to the 14, 57 over 23. Further cutting is not possible, so we reach the answer where x is equal to 57 over 23 and y is equal to 8 over 23. That is the answer. So here is your question, complete question. You can give a look. So this is how we have to start. Way of writing, you can notice this is the proper way of writing. Now this we have used the substitution method, further substitution by x, and if we have to do substitution by y, so we have to do what? We have to keep y here alone on left hand side, rest everything we will take on other side. If we do that, we can say we have done by substitution by y, right? So this is your substitution method. So we have done today graph method and substitution method, right? 2 methods I have taught you. Tomorrow I will be teaching you in my next video elimination method and cross multiplication method, right friends? So you must do practice of the questions. If you see exercise 3.3 first question, they have given lot many parts in NCERT book to practice the substitution method. Thank you.